Oh, you made it. Hello and welcome. I am the awful chef. Hey, what a surprise. We all got hungry. Let's have some dinner. What a day. Fortunately, it's Saturday, so, chicken stock to you at home. Oh, I better finish that. So, what do we got? Food shortages, supply chain, inflation, guns. Welcome to Shoot 'em Up America. Chicken stock. In the meantime, we got some food. At least tonight. Let me show you what we got. This is a dish that might not appeal to everybody. I don't want to show you too much of my house. Sorry about that. And that is pasta with a Gorgonzola cheese sauce. Yeah, if you don't like Gorgonzola, tune out now. Sorry. I got a little bit of heavy cream here in a pan, gently warming. You're going to love this sauce if you can accept Gorgonzola. It's very simple. Oh. Yes, I am the messy chef as well as the awful chef. That was Gorgonzola. I just threw a nice big chunk of Gorgonzola cheese into some warm, heavy cream and made a mess. On camera. Hello, YouTube. Nothing ever goes wrong in my kitchen, or in yours for that matter, I imagine. We also have a pan full of toasted walnuts. And of course, because of YouTube time limits, there's only so much I can show you. So what I will do is melt the Gorgonzola cheese in the heavy cream, add the walnuts and pasta. And a little bit of nutmeg. Do not overdo the nutmeg. Which I suspect I just did, but I think we'll live. And black pepper. If you're feeling really adventurous, you can put some Parmesan on top of that as well. We will be having that with a salad with my wife's favorite French dressing. Well, I shouldn't say French dressing, but it's a dressing taught to us by Grey Poupon, which is heavy on the French-style mustard. So, in my magic little bowl, I have way too much garlic. Yes, if you like Gorgonzola cheese, you like lots of garlic in your salad dressing. Magic ingredient, of course. Not Grey Poupon, but French-style mustard. Thank you, Monsieur Pepon. I've always loved watching Grey Poupon just cook. I once worked for Louis Vuitton, and it was an eye-opening experience. For the French were so easygoing about everything. Working for Louis Vuitton at a time of economic crisis, my colleague from IBM, I am stirring the French-style mustard into the oil and garlic, was also impressed. Because he was in the meeting and he was worried about the company, blah, 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 blah. And they looked at him and said, hey, we make purses. If we go out of business, the world will live without purses. Every time I've been stressed, I've meditated upon the wisdom of that simple statement by our friends across the water. We make purses. We may be France's big employer, or the Paris areas at least, but at the end of the day, we just make purses. Okay, yes, gently melting the cheese. So, a little bit of red wine vinegar, of course. Yes, anytime you wonder about the French resolve in war, just remember who made the exocet. Am I a Francophile? Not necessarily. I just met a lot of good people I respect. And I do love watching Grey Poupon cook. It's just food. So a little bit of black pepper won't hurt that at all. And just for reference, it won't hurt our Gorgonzola cheese sauce either. Now I do have one little twist. By the way, I will remind you. Oh, that's horrible. Oh, no, don't ever do that. That if you're cooking for two people, this is your friend. Romaine hearts, the perfect ration of lettuce for two people. Take one of those, tear it up, throw it in your salad spinner, rinse everything, even if it's pre-washed. There we go. That looks like a salad dressing. Oh. I'm sorry, I'm being weird. That's good stuff. That is just the way I like my salad dressings. And if I let that sit for a few minutes, the gently minced garlic will permeate that and provide a much deeper flavor and just wonderfulness. Oh, chicken stock. I'm thirsty. So, I'm actually doing something special tonight. Oh. Other than suffering from allergies. I don't know if you can hear in the background, but the oven, the little countertop convection oven purchased at a major big box store that also sells chickens very cheaply, is running, and I am making the world's greatest thing to throw in here. In that oven, I have a foil wrapped packet. Ooh, this is where we get evil. Let me show you what I did. I have about 7 cloves of garlic, little salt, little olive oil, wrapped in a tight little foil packet, roasting in the oven for an hour. Yeah, we are going to throw some roasted garlic into this pasta sauce. So, I'm going to go enjoy the concept of chicken stock while the Gorgonzola slowly melts into the heavy cream, while the garlic slowly caramelizes in the oven. The walnuts have toasted up nicely. And all I'm going to have to do is cook some pasta. Oh. Oh my. Oh, the chef is out. Oh, he's down. Ecstasy, ecstasy. Yeah, if you don't like Gorgonzola, this is not your dish. If you do like Gorgonzola, give this a try. Especially when you throw in the roasted garlic. So, that's it. I'm the Awful Chef. The word of the day is chicken stock. Happy Saturday to you. And yeah, We have the AR-15 remedy here of more chicken stock. So, that's it. This is social media. Please do the social thing and subscribe, or else YouTube will send me to the eternity of non-existence. And beyond that, I encourage you to try this if you can stomach Gorgonzola cheese. Mrs. Chef likes some much stronger cheeses, and so to her, this is a wimpy dish. But she tolerates it for the love of her husband. Thank you, and goodbye.